Hello, welcome to my channel. Next question. Which graph corresponds to an object moving with a constant negative acceleration and a positive velocity? Graphs are given. We have to find out which graph corresponds to an object moving with a constant negative acceleration and a positive velocity. This question was asked JEE Main online 2017. So we will take the graphs one by one and find out which could be the answer. We will not simply abruptly give the answer. We will try to analyze the graphs and find out why the other graphs are not correct. We will give that reason also. Okay, so we will proceed. Now see, this is the first this is the option D which is given, and it's a graph between velocity versus time, and acceleration should be constant. Though negative, it should be constant. Constant acceleration means slope should be constant, but here the slope is a variable. Slope is not constant for this curve. Only for a straight line slope is constant. Therefore this graph cannot be the correct answer. So that one is not correct. Option D is not correct. Here option C, that also same reason as option D. It's not a straight line, slope is a variable, acceleration is a variable, so it cannot be correct one. Okay, so option C is also ruled out. Option B, here you can see, just analyzing it as the graph you see it, you can analyze it. Distance, here this one is this side of the graph is running shown to be running parallel to distance. That means this velocity will never become 0. Actually velocity should become 0 because it is having negative acceleration. Similarly on this side, initially distance covered is also not shown to be 0. So for the given situation, for this cannot represent the correct answer, so ruled out. Coming to this option A, so one can easily say that option A then should be correct because one answer should be correct, but we will give the reason. Okay, we will give the explanation or reason here. Equation of motion of a body moving with negative acceleration is v square minus u square minus 2as. From that you get v is equal to square root of u square minus 2as. In fact, this graph represents this equation with particular domain. Okay, so we will just consider it. So this graph is representing this function here. Okay, so here you see, when distance is 0, velocity is this. That's the initial velocity. Okay, so distance is 0, velocity is u. This point represents initial velocity. Similarly this side, velocity is 0, but distance will be u squared by 2a. You just put v0, find out, yes, it will be u squared by 2a, but velocity is 0. So this one correctly depicts the given situation. So the correct answer is this. Option A is correct. Understood it? Like, subscribe, write your comments. Thank you.